also the HOVERAir X1 Pro and X1 Pro Max, the amazing folding drone with up to 8K resolution, crazy onboard tracking features, and creative self-flying modes. Well, it got an update with some more cool features. And I'm here to tell you what they are and how they work.
Mr. Black.
And by the way, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way, and also some really cool firmware updates to those products like this one right here. And I'll put the link to the full video that I did at the end of this video. Now, to update your HOVERAir, it's super simple. You power this thing on, connect it to the HOVERAir app. It'll prompt you that there's a firmware update, and you just click to accept it, and it will update just like that. It is very simple. So the first new feature is they added an indoor follow mode with trajectory replication. So it precisely copies the user walking path. It smoothly navigates stairs, sharp turns, and narrow doorways. One big advantage I've seen to HOVERAir is that when it does follow you, it will actually map out where you go. Just in case you like do a sharp turn, it won't cut those corners and run into something. It'll actually just go on that sharp turn as well. It's very impressive. Now, the next one is they added a new dolly zoom mode. It's that classic dolly zoom shot that you see in the movies where you're trying to add some suspense. You just put this up there, it flies backwards while also zooming in. And with the 4x zoom on the X1 Pro Max, the device will fly backwards up to a maximum distance of 26 feet, which is very far. That's a really dramatic effect. Then they've also optimized cycling mode, so improved tracking performance in sharp turns and uneven terrain. It also has enhanced tracking in narrow spaces with the low height setting now disabled. So kind of just like the indoor thing, it will map out exactly where the bike is going, and it will keep track of you even at closer distances, farther distances, or like whether it's lower or higher tracking you. If you are a cyclist and you want to capture those moments, this is probably your best friend right here. They've also optimized ski mode, which gives you enhanced gimbal tracking and overall experience for ski jump scenes. Now, I'm nowhere near any snow and I can't test that out, but that would be an amazing feature to have this thing follow you down the mountain and doing ski jumps like with the AI and not anyone controlling it. And they've also enabled Wi-Fi connection support. So this will be a faster and more seamless connection. Maybe you did one of the fly modes and it's going out, and maybe it's about to like land off of a cliff. You can easily pull your phone out, open the app and connect it that much faster, and then just fly it remotely with your phone to bring it to safety. So that's a nice little safety enhancement right there. Now, this also will update the beacon, which is the controller that has a screen to preview. It's added support for dolly zoom, indoor follow, ski mode parameters, and sensitivity settings, but also added a return to beacon icon. So once enabled, it initiates the return to beacon feature. Now, I don't have the beacon. I would actually love to get it and test it out and see how easy it is. But this is something like if you are on a bike, you can actually have this mounted up and you can see your shot, see how it's following you, and just always know that it's gonna stay with you because of that beacon. And if you need to really quickly, you can just grab that beacon and use the joystick and remote control it there. It's a great little travel drone, perfect for those adventurers out there who want to capture more. I mean, you can get some epic shots that you could never get with any other camera, and even other drones, it would take a lot longer to set up versus this one that can just fly up, and you'll be very impressed with the footage that it captures. And I love that HOVERAir is adding more and more to it with firmware updates. If you want some more information about this, I'll put it down in the description, plus the link to it if you want to check out the price of it. But also you can watch my original HOVERAir X1 Pro video. I have the video right here. You can click that and watch it. Go ahead, give it a click. If you're still here, just, yeah. Oh, you've already seen that one? Well, you can watch this one instead. I think YouTube thinks that you like this one the best, so click one of those and I'll see you there.